My name is Henry, and I'm here from about 25 years now, and I'm working with wood. I grew up on a farm. When we're not busy on the farms, we're doing something at home, like making toys and stuff like that from wood. And there were a lot of tractors and wagons what we're making. Quite a few for Christmas, like for other people. So that's what starts the crafts and wood, and I always enjoying it. I got married, so we came here and start woodworking. And if we make something, like if we do something new, products to make the machinery and stuff like that, I also enjoy it. Quite a few more, like they look better, they feel better, and so I enjoy it, and so it's a good work.